If you're looking for an amazing tripod slash selfie stick, that includes a shoe mount for your fill light or your microphone, that has a universal cell phone holder for horizontal and vertical videos, that works as a super long selfie stick and as a 4-legged tripod up to 67 inches high. This is the one, guys. I was sent this to review from Acuma, so let me show you a closer look because it's amazing. It's super compact and lightweight. Great to throw in your backpack, in your carry-on. There is a Bluetooth camera right here. Just pair it with your phone. You're good to go. You can use it right here in the selfie stick. So while you're holding it, you can just do. No need to have it an extra hand handling the remote, but you can also pop it out. Then if you're using tripod mode, or if you're really holding the selfie stick way out far, then you can remotely trigger the camera or the video from the remote. You're just gonna wanna swipe through on your camera to make sure that it's in video or photo mode, and then when you press start and stop, it's gonna do what you want. It does come with a little button battery. It's not rechargeable, so that's gonna last a long time. I don't know if you'll ever need to replace it, but if you do, easy to do. Just keep it stored in here, pop it in nice and secure. Of course, you can use it without the remote if you want. To use it in selfie stick mode, you just pull this out, and there you go. This is your fairly universal cell phone mount. I've got a standard iPhone to pop in there just so you can see how it's going to fit. So sturdy, really nice grip. If you have one of the like super bulky kind of cases, it might struggle to fit in there, but that's fairly wide. You'll see this one is well within the lip there. So if you have a normal case, no worries there. This is the shortest of the selfie mode length. Then you just keep pulling. It's very secure in there, like very hard to pull it out. So my gosh, do you see how long that is? Look at how long that is, guys. What? Crazy. And then you can angle that so that when you're actually holding it out, you can make sure it's angled at yourself. It's so far, you may want to use a mic because this is far. Oh my gosh, but it's lightweight enough. You can do it one hand. I prefer two. You don't have to stuff it all the way back inside. You can just convert it like this, right, to tripod mode. Just pop these out. You've got 4 feet here, so it's like really secure. You can actually extend it a little more. Whew. I'm 5'8", so you can see 67 inches, almost my height. And then again, this is adjustable. You can go almost horizontal with that. Of course, you're gonna have the tripod down here, but if you're filming hands and stuff, amazing, amazing. And then you can go, that's as far back as you can go the opposite way. So you may want to change the direction you have your phone mounted, depending on if you want to use the back camera or the front camera and which angle you want to shoot. But it's really nice and adjustable. It does not rotate this way. You can just pivot the tripod as needed. You can film horizontal, angled, and vertical. Really easy to rotate between those. Up here, if you have a light or a mic or something like that, you can easily mount it up there. Put your phone in here, adjust to vertical, horizontal, tilt the angle. Then when you're ready to pack it all up, just take it all apart, snap everything back into place. And within seconds, you are back to the super duper teeny tiny backpack ready stick. It even comes with a carry case. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.